Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing the RV slide. We have Jerry out here working on it now, so stay tuned.
Hydraulic lines are?
Yep.
That's what I gotta get to. I'm gonna take those two bolts out. And I'm gonna do the hydraulic lines and pull it all back.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not bad if you can get in there.
Well, not my fan. Come on, baby.
Trying to. How's that look against that wall back there? Have you watched that? You know, it's kind of getting straight.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming off. Ooh, there's an edge. That's pushing back in. What? Oh, it must be water coming off the slide. Okay.
Yeah.
I heard something pouring. I'm like, I think we just lost something.
No, come on, in.
In?
Yep. Hold that. Oop. Back out. Now hold that. All right.
So I'll let you take it, your name and who you are and what you've done today for me.
My name's Jerry. I'm with the RV Guy in Melbourne, Florida. I just got done replacing Dave's HWH slide-out ram on his Itasca. Aligned the box, the storage boxes after.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. Not a difficult job, just very hard to get to it, to where it's at. Very tight quarters getting in there. But
Yeah, and we had the other guy out. What was he with again?
Open Roads,
Open
yeah.
Road. So they ordered the part and they got it here. And then he said, well, I can't do the job. Nothing I can do to help you. So I found Jerry. He came out. He says, oh, it's such and such, such and such. No big deal. We scheduled. He's about 3 weeks out. But he seems to be the guy that you definitely want for jobs like this, where nobody else wants to really get dirty and get in there and get it done. And he did a fantastic job considering how torqued the box in the slide was. But he got all the parts replaced, cleaned up, and it's working perfectly now. So yeah, I appreciate you very much.
Glad you're happy. I'm glad I was able to help you out, get you back on the road.
Yeah.
So you can start enjoying it again.
Yep. And so give him a call if you're in the Melbourne, Florida area, and I think all around the general area here.
Brevard County.
Yep, Brevard County, yeah, Space Coast.
Yep. 321-503-4123.
That's the man. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.